Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the Twilight filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, here in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. The filter name is Bella. If you're not finding the filter here in the trending section, you can go to search and search for Bella. Okay, and this is the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the filter from search also, then what you can do, go to home page, go to search for Twilight filter. Okay, here you will see videos with this effect. Okay, tap on the second one. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see try this effect. Just tap there to try the effect. Likewise, okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from search, then what you can do, let me go back first. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page again. Just tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.